रॉंग ब्रिफींग दिले कित्याक जे कितें निर्णय जाल्ले तेन्ना टू पे द लायसन्स फी फॉर कन्स्ट्रक्शन एंड ऑल एज अ रिजल्ट दॅट मनी रिमेन देर. So now I have sent the file to the AG for clarification what I should do. Because I have taken a very clear decision with any matter related to IDC because they are all high value matters. We must take opinion of the AG and Honorable AG will give his view and whatever the view he gives that I will submit to Honorable Chief Minister for further action. Now see, you have to understand one thing. If information is not given to me last time even that meta strips, that issue that was there, AG has given a very clear cut opinion there's a 26 crore loss. So I'm initiating action in that transaction. And also let me tell you that all these things that are there of IDC, one by one, whether it is allotment of plots to the government or the employees who are there, because there were no guidelines earlier. But I have to take all these things to the Honorable AG, let him interpret it legally to me so that I'm able to take the right decision. I don't want to make any mistake, but definitely I will hold those officers responsible because interest has been building up on a day-to-day basis. Already the interest is running into crores. And also EMI will start building up, will payable for month of April. So we have to take a transparent decision to move forward.
SEZ प्रमोटरांकडच्यान जमीन परत घेवंक तांकां 180 कोटींची लुकसाण भरपाय दिवपाचेर आदींच इश्यू जाल्लो. भरपाय दिवंक IDCन घेतला रीण. घेतिल्ले जमनींची पावणी जाल्ली ना आनी रीण IDCच्या गळ्या मेरेन. मुख्यमंत्र्याक विचारल्यार तो उखलापी जाप दिवन मेकळो.
IDCचेर एक विशयीतन एक स्टेटमेंट केल्लो, SEZची लँड घेतना ऑफिसरांनी मिसगायड केलो ताका. कितें प्रॉब्लेम जालो तातूंत?
ना तसो कांयच प्रॉब्लेम जावंक ना. ओके, काय तो थोडोसो इश्यू आहा पळय न्ही, तो रिजॉल्व जातलो.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.